Bhagavad Gita, it is the holy book of Hindu religion. This is my eyes. Bhagavad Gita is very good teaching for the spiritual teacher to student. Spiritual teacher is Krishna and student is Arjun. When Arjun going to fight with enemy, he say, I don't kill the people. And then student, the teacher, this Guru, Krishna Guru, start to teach the Arjun. What you look outside, physical things, these people, this is not true. This is one day die. You kill or not kill. All physical material, it is not true. You look this, it is outer eyes. It is not your spiritual eye. Which I look these physical things, these peoples. You need this eye. You try to understand what is the inner eyes, and he teach many way to Arjun to open his inner eye. He look with inner eye कि what is true. You look this way कि he try to teach matter. What matter you look, this eyes is look, this matter is not true. And which fight you going to kill the enemy, this is not bad, because what is your aim, intention to do any work, it is very important. Maybe you kill the people for selfishness. This is bad karma. But you kill the enemy and save the earth and environment. Make a positive way, because this enemy going to wrong way and hurt the nature and people. This is better to kill them. This is the positive karma. But Arjun think I kill and I make a negative karma. Krishna teach the Arjun. What the people die, it is not die, just a physical die. His soul always survive. Soul never going to die, because soul is the part of God. Soul is the rays of sun, supreme sun. And he tried to show the Krishna, you look these souls everywhere. You are coming on the earth, only act as like play. Which way actor play on the stage, you look the movie, on there no anything is true. One actor, actress and people is play, acting, and this is you look on the movie or play stage. Same way this universe make us as a actor and actress. We are playing here the just God play. We are act our internal mind. We are act our physical activity. We are act what is the meet by God roles. And then he say, Arjun, your role as a army people, you kill the enemies. And Gita is very big science to teach the karma rules, bhakti, Sankhya Yoga. He teaches the Arjun many ways to grow the awakening. The matter is not true. Which energy, prana energy, this all universe make, this is the true. God make everything what is the God, supreme energy, supreme power. He say everything is the one, God is the one. Everything is come by God, come by silence and going in the silence. He try to teach you find your inner silence. This is the just as a acting. Because your acting is the right path, right way. You are not making wrong karma. He teach the Arjun, ki your karma you do, this is your meditation, this is your sadhana. Because this is the way to you achieve yourself inner and you achieve the God. You achieve the higher state of mind. Everyone is coming on the earth to play on act. And like farmer doing own karma, he possible achieve the higher state of mind when they do own karma honestly and when they understand own self. Everyone who is the painter, he possible enlightenment by painting because he do own karma. He is the way of the karma. Any singer possible achieve the higher state of mind because he come to play the music and he achieved this way. Means many way possible to achieve higher state of mind. Not a one way. Krishna teaching the Arjun which way you want to choose, every way going to the God, going to the higher state of mind. Don't involve in this fight. You look the fight as like act. And when you look the act, this life is the very easy for you. Because life is the biggest acting. And when you look this acting in the life, your life has easy to control your mind, you easy to control your emotions and not control. You understand the emotions, you understand the life, you understand your mind, you understand why you are born on the earth and what is your karma on the earth. What is your karma for yourself, for your family, for your society and for this environment. They teach Bhagavad Gita. Which way you survive on the earth with good karma. They teach which way you connected with yourself and connected with your super power, universal God, where you say the God. This is very important. You understand you are the just one actor and actress on the earth. You come by this supreme power of energy as on doing the acting on the earth. And when you know this is your acting, When you know yourself, you easy to know the God. Then Krishna say, everybody come by me and everybody going to me, because everyone is the source of supreme energy, supreme light.